Welcome to WION Podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover why only 3 nations command the skies with strategic bombers, the ultimate symbols of nuclear power and deterrence. Strategic bombers are large, long-range military aircraft specifically designed to deliver nuclear or conventional weapons deep into enemy territory. Unlike fighter bombers or tactical strike aircraft, strategic bombers can fly thousands of kilometers, carry substantial payloads, and are built to bypass or survive heavy air defenses. Their primary purpose is deterrence, to threaten retaliation that would make a first strike by an adversary too costly to contemplate. Today, only the United States, Russia, and China operate true strategic bombers. Each has developed fleets tailored to its defense doctrine, geography, and industrial capacity. Other countries may field powerful strike aircraft, but none match the payload, range, and nuclear mission profile that define a genuine strategic bomber force. Leading this exclusive club is the United States, the largest and most diverse fleet. The U.S. Air Force maintains around 66 strategic bombers. This includes the B-52H Stratofortress, an iconic 8-engine bomber introduced in the 1950s and still flying with modern cruise missiles and precision-guided bombs. There is also the B-1B Lancer, a supersonic bomber optimized for conventional strikes but originally nuclear-capable, and the B-2A Spirit, a stealth bomber able to penetrate sophisticated air defenses with nuclear or conventional payloads. Looking ahead, the U.S. is developing the B-21 Raider, a next-generation stealth bomber intended to replace older types over time. Next in line is Russia, fewer bombers, but still a formidable force. Russia fields about 60 active strategic bombers. These include the Tu-95MS Bear, a 4-engine turboprop bomber capable of carrying nuclear-tipped cruise missiles, the Tu-160 Blackjack, the largest and fastest supersonic bomber in service with variable sweep wings and nuclear capability, and the Tu-22M3 Backfire, which sometimes serves in strategic roles, though it is technically a long-range bomber rather than an intercontinental type. Russia is modernizing both the Tu-95 and Tu-160 fleets, and has announced plans for a new stealth bomber known as the PAK-DA. Completing the trio is China, a rising force with expanding long-range strike capabilities. China currently operates about 20 H-6N bombers derived from the older Soviet Tu-16. While originally designed as medium bombers, the H-6K and H-6N variants can carry nuclear-capable cruise missiles, giving China a limited but expanding strategic reach. In addition, China is reportedly developing the H-20, a long-anticipated stealth bomber expected to boost its global strike capability. Strategic bombers are among the most expensive and complex weapon systems to design, build, and maintain. They also demand extensive supporting infrastructure such as aerial refueling tankers, satellite navigation, and maintenance facilities. Politically, they are tightly linked to nuclear strategy, meaning only nations willing to take on the cost and geopolitical responsibility maintain them. Despite enormous costs, strategic bombers remain essential to modern nuclear triads. Unlike missiles, they can be recalled after launch orders, offering flexibility in a crisis. They also serve as highly visible signals of power projection, making them as relevant today as during the Cold War. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.